All right, welcome back to Better Food. We are ready to upgrade the burger today, Kara.
Seal Vardar Yaya,
Yaya,
the champion of the Food Network's Chopped Holly Jolly Grandmas, is showing us how to make a lamb burger with feta cheese and tzatziki sauce.
Yummy.
I love Greek and Middle Eastern food.
Oh,
it's so flavorful.
How can you not?
Yeah,
well, how
it's
could
really
you not?
beautiful.
It's just...
It's like it's everything.
But
it speaks to me.
It does. and I learned today that Scott doesn't like lamb.
That's okay.
But you can do this.
You could do it with
same
a
thing
steak
with ground
burger or
chicken,
something.
ground beef, anything. But anyway, because we're so pushed with time, and I want that wow factor when you taste this, we have some ground lamb here, and I already have the garlic all minced up in here.
So I've never looked, but you can just buy ground lamb at the
You can buy
supermarket?
ground lamb, or you can buy lamb in steak portions or roast portions. I ground mine. I bought it in a roast, and I ground it myself.
Ground lamb with some garlic.
With some garlic right now. And we're going to add some baby spinach to this.
I turned on your pot. Is that good, or do you want?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's too high. That's a little too high.
Turn it down. We did it on the power boost.
Just right to there. That's great. That's great. That's good. Okay, so we're going to add some spinach.
Yep.
The recipe is online, by the way.
Okay.
So, but this
healthy.
is
so you've got
very
spinach?
Healthy, very. And this is very lean lamb, considering lamb is usually have a lot of fat in it.
So it's spinach
this is sweet
and
onion.
fresh oregano and onions.
Yep,
okay.
This is sweet onion and feta cheese. How do we live without feta cheese? I don't know.
How do I live without feta?
Now, these are my new favorite things right here. Peppadew peppers, sweet red peppers. Honestly, you can get them at a salad bar anywhere.
Peppadew peppers.
Peppadew peppers. And we're going to give it a shake. I actually do love fresh oregano, but it's just kind of hard to find right now, so I'm just shaking up some oregano in here. A little bit of salt.
You like the pink Himalayan salt?
I only use pink Himalayan salt. Sorry.
Better for us.
Sorry for reaching over.
That's okay.
And some really nice ground black
shaking
pepper.
for Yaya. She just scoops and pinches.
All right, let's put that up, Scott, if you don't mind. So we're going to mix this up really, really, really good. Really good.
Okay.
And
it's on 10. It's good, Kara. Why do you have?
Isn't that gorgeous?
Second guess me.
Wait.
She wanted it on the boost, like the highest one.
No, it'll burn your butter.
No. I did not want. I didn't want.
What do you want?
Always.
No, a little bit lower. Little bit lower.
Lower?
A little bit lower,
Well, now
for sure.
it's off.
Now it's off.
Yeah, so
we're in trouble.
You turned the whole thing off by that.
Okay.
That's okay. So we'll put it back on and then.
Okay, so we're going to pat this up.
Okay.
Now, Scott, since I know you aren't going to have a lamb burger,
yes,
we're going to make this one very quickly. Now, here's a little secret when you're making burgers.
That's a pretty big burger you got there.
So you want that to go back on?
Yeah,
you have it. You have it.
You got it on?
No, it's hot.
No,
it's off.
You sure? It's off.
Go ahead, throw it in there. It's hot enough that it'll cook.
Lesson learned.
There we go.
Never
no
touch...
induction ovens in my house.
Exactly.
There we go.
No, it's not on.
I'm going to turn it there.
There you go. It's on. Perfect.
The good thing is it goes on in seconds.
That's good.
Just put it there for right now.
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at
beautiful.
that burger. Now, always poke a hole in the center. It'll keep a better shape.
Really?
Yeah, it won't cook up into a big ball.
All the way through, or just a dent, not a whole?
No, just a dent.
Okay.
And it'll hold a better shape.
I've never heard of that.
Yep.
Poke a hole.
Yep. It'll hold a better shape. So we're just going to fry that up right now.
Okay.
I'm going to take these off since we're all safe.
Yep.
Now I'm going to tell you my little lamb story.
Oh, is it a little lamb?
Is
a Mary had a little lamb?
It's a Mary had a little lamb.
Yeah, I had a little lamb.
Found out today that Scott doesn't like lamb, and I get it. I get it. I grew up Middle Eastern household, everything that was cooked with lamb. Lamb spaghetti, lamb bones in the spaghetti sauce, lamb scrambled eggs, lamb. So when I became an adult and I was able to make my own decisions, I just zeroed lamb out of it.
You zeroed lamb. My mother zeroed milk out of her diet.
Really?
Yeah, she got milk.
I just zeroed it out, and now it's starting to come back. But I prefer American lamb.
Okay.
Versus Australian or New Zealand. It's less gamier.
Okay. I want to make sure you have time to finish your lovely
less
burger. So
gamier.
we're going to have to flip it?
Yeah, we're going to flip. And hopefully this will... Oh,
beautiful.
Look tell me that's not gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
Tell me that's not gorgeous.
So many good things
you
in
can
there.
almost forget this is lamb, right?
I cannot forget it's lamb. But Yaya, you've done a beautiful job.
But you do it with tzatziki sauce.
Okay, let's get this all. Okay, the tzatziki sauce is already made because I knew the time restriction.
So that's this yogurt, and we're going to put that on here?
You could put that right on there.
Okay. And we're going to maybe run a little bit at a time. How much longer does that need to cook?
How much longer do we have? I just want to make sure. We are?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We can eat it at the end of the segment. Let it cook and we'll try.
Okay.
And then but Scott will like do you want the pickle?
Oh, by the way,
you have the pickle.
These are wild cucumbers.
All right, we're out of time.
Pickled wild cucumbers.
Sorry, Seal.
We're going to stay tuned.
What happened?
We're going to try it in the next segment. It smells delicious in here. We're making... Stick around to see what the lamb tastes like. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. You can follow Seal on Facebook. Just search Chef Seal's Foodie Love.